Hey, to turn on or off the noise cancellation on the FreeBuds 5, first you have to select them from the AI Live application. And then you've got the noise cancellation right here. So when you click on the switcher, you can simply turn it on or off. Of course, we have to input our earbuds inside our ears. So let's try it like this. And here we've got also option to change the mode of the noise cancellation. So we've got the dynamic, cozy, and the general. And also we can turn on or off the noise cancellation by going to the gestures. And here we've got the double tap and the press and the hold. And on the left, on the right way, by pressing and holding, you can simply switch this mode. So take a look. We've got the touch sensor right here. So I have to click and hold. Okay, it doesn't work. So let's try to repeat. There we go. As you can see right now, it turns on, and to turn off, I'm gonna hold one more time and it's turned off. So yeah, that's how it looks. Please subscribe to my channel. You will help me grow it. And that's all. Bye bye.